这个手机的拍出来的还可以。
挺好看的。
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is Miles from Freshliance company, and welcome to see our new live show. And I will introduce to you our company products. And welcome to see the. You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. So hi everyone, welcome to Freshliance Livestream channel. I'm your host Miles, and I'm so glad to be here to tell you a bit more about Freshliance and our amazing products. So we will have question and answer part later on, so please feel free to ask anything you want during the live. Okay, first of all, so let's talk about Freshliance. And our company Freshliance is devoted to offering customers tailor-made temperature and humidity monitoring solutions. We have a variety of products. They are USB type, Bluetooth type, wireless, and ultra-low temperature and humidity data loggers. So our products, they feature a wide measurement range from -200 to 200 degrees and high accuracy. That makes them meet almost every kind of temperature monitoring need. So we serve all kinds of industries, including the food industry, pharmaceuticals industry, retail industry, chemical industry, and so on. Our products can be used in different scenarios, including the cold chain logistics, cold storage, warehouse, hospital, medical laboratory, supermarket, and so on. So we also provide OEM orders and ODM services. You can contact us to get the temperature and humidity monitoring solution according to your business requirement. So if you are interested in our products, please contact us through the telephone and the email below. Or else you can also visit our company website. Our company website is freshliance.com, freshliance.com. So you can search and Google Freshliance to get more information about us. We also have Amazon store and Shopify online store. You can search Freshliance in Amazon or maybe in Alibaba, and you can find products you need. You can directly buy our products in our store. So anyway, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this live stream with your friends. You can click the bell icon so that next time when we have new live stream or new videos, you will get notified right away. So please don't forget to comment down below to let me know what you want to know, and I will reply to you. Okay, so today this time I'm going to introduce to you our temperature data loggers. First is this model, the Freshkeeper 1, and normally it is used in ultra low temperature, and so we name it Freshkeeper-IoT. Freshkeeper-IoT. So take a look. Okay, it is black color and with rubberized, and also it has a frame, a plastic frame, and it is USB type. Yes, with a USB connector, USB port. So the Freshkeeper, this model, mostly we make it to monitor the temperature in the temperature range of from -90 to 70 degrees. As you can see in the backside label, also you can see the information of the data logger. It is a reusable type and multi-level PDF data logger. It has high accuracy of 0.5 degrees, and it has certification with CE RoHS, and also comply with EN 12830. It has a runtime of over 200 days and a memory capacity of 14,400 readings. Okay, so Freshkeeper, this model, the Freshkeeper 1, it is multi-use temperature data logger, and it has PDF data report function. It with LCD display screen, has a long standby of many days. Support up to 9 marks and 6 alarm, and when you need to download the data report, you just plug the logger into your computer, and then it could generate the PDF file data report automatically. This temperature data logger has a large LCD display and can be delivered onshore to determine the quality of cargo transportation. For normal temperature range of from -30 to 70 degrees, it can be used to monitor the during the transportation and storage of the fresh produce and like fruit and vegetables. And also it has a temperature range of from -90 to 70 degrees, such as in the dry ice application. And when you want to download the data report, no need to install any software. So talking about the features of this model, first it has high accuracy and a large capacity. The built-in high precision NTC sensor with a marrying accuracy of ±0.5 degrees, and it has a resolution of resolution of 0.1 degrees. It can be used in dry ice application. The temperature measurement for ultra low from -80 to 70 degree and suitable for dry ice delivery and storage. It has intuitive LCD screen, and in the screen you will see the real-time viewing of running status like the max value, mean value, average temperature value, and also the alarm status and the remaining days. And as you can see, it automatically generates PDF report, or you can set it to be CSV format report. No software required. It complies with EN 12830 for transport, storage, and distribution of food. Welcome to our new live show. Welcome, Mr. Ali Fahad. So now I'm introducing to you our model, the Freshkeeper, the multi-use data logger. It can monitor the temperature range from -30 to 70 degrees, and also applicable to the temperature range of from -90 to 70 degrees. It can be used in the industries, including the fruit, transportation, and vegetables, and the cold chain logistics, and also the medicines, and vaccines, transportation, etc. So the Freshkeeper IoT, the dry ice sensor temperature data logger, can be used for a wide range of applications, such as monitoring dry ice shipments, sea or air freight, distribution, storage and freezing, and pharmaceuticals, frozen foods, and shipping containers. This standalone USB temperature data logger do not require any additional probes. And this data logger is suitable for in-transit records of biopharmaceuticals, life science, biological samples, blood cold chain, diagnostic reagents, including the biologic reagents, molecular reagents, COVID-19 reagents, and cell biology agents during low temperature environment. The products such as biologics and vaccines have a short shelf life, so the temperature change during transportation should be controlled in time. So our USB data logger with real-time large temperature display is ideal choice for the pharmaceutical industry and biologics. Okay, so for the operation of this device, first you can download the installation software, and you can download the software from our website, its name is Freshliance Tools. Go to our company website, and you can download the software, the Freshliance Tools, into your computer, and then you can use the software to do configuration. And if you don't need to change parameters, you can click so you don't need to do configuration, because before dispatch the goods in our factory already do some default configuration. So if you need to change parameters, you need to use the software. It's free, of course. You need to software, and when you need to change the parameters, enter the suitable parameters into the configuration parameters interface, and then click Save to finish configuration. So after configuration, you can power on the device. To power on the device, you can press the left button of the start button for 3 seconds, and until the LCD screen show begin, BEGIN, it will show begin, and it means power on. If there is start delay, so the screen will show delay countdown, and it will count down, and it will show DLY on the screen. After that, the logger will start to record. So at the recording status, within alarm range, it will show a yes signal. Take a look. It will show a yes signal. Yes. And out of the alarm range, it will show a wrong signal. Above the high alarm point, it will show high, HIGH, and below the low alarm point, it will show LOW. So in the main interface, you can see the information of the temperature and also the battery level. So this device is temperature and the humidity both. You can see the readings, and also the running days. Now is 344 days left. Yes, and you can see a curve, a temperature curve, and the REC means recording. So at the recording status, they know there is alarm or not by this signal. Yes or correct. So the max, mean, and average value interface. So at every short press on the left button, the screen will show the max value, mean value, average value in turn. This device has a function of mark function. So at the main interface, press the left button for 3 seconds. And the device will make one mark. But you should know that within every log interval, only one mark can. So this device also can be paused. At a recording status. Double press the left button. And the logger will pause. Pause means the logger will not record. And if you double press the left button again, it will continue. So at the pause status, the logger will stop recording, but the screen will update the temperature. The screen will update the temperature as usual. The logger will stop recording, but the screen will update the temperature. And during pause status, you can still make mark. And also in pause status, you can have a temporary report. So directly connect the logger into your computer, and the temporary report will be generated automatically. During this process, the logger is still recording. And at this status, only PDF report is available. So this is the main features of this product. And for stop the device, there are three methods to stop the device. First is by manually. To manually stop the device, you just press the red button for 5 seconds, and you can turn off the logger. And the second method is to plug the device directly into the computer and stop it by configuration software. So in the configuration software, you can click stop, and then the logger will stop. And the third method is automatic stop. If the recording days is over or the capacity is full, it will stop automatically. So you see the device has recording days, and also its memory is limited. So after the recording days is finished, after the memory capacity is full, the logger will stop automatically. Okay, so continue. For the report function, after stop the logger, connect the logger to the computer. The logger will display PDF or CSV to indicate it's generating report. So after stop the logger, you connect the device to your computer, and the logger will display will display in the screen of PDF or CSV, and it is indicating that it's generating report. So before you use the logger, you can set the report format to be PDF or CSV format. And after configuration, so after monitoring, after you stop the logger, connect to computer, and the screen will show PDF or CSV. And after the report is generated, the USB is displayed on the logger. After report is generated, the screen will show USB. And please note that after pull it out from computer, please note that after you plug it out from your computer, if you press any button, the max min value will be displayed in turn and displayed twice. No matter you press left button or right button, the max min value will display in turn twice. So this is a report operation. Please take a note that temporary report. So only after stop it, you can get the final report. This is a report operation. Avoid report is lost. Please be sure to get the report according to the operation, and otherwise it couldn't be reused if without configuration again. So you can reconfigure the parameters, or press the stop, or press the red button, for 3 seconds to restart the logger after report is downloaded. After report is downloaded, you can reconfigure it and then you reuse it. Okay, so this is the main function and the operation and features of this model, the FreshKeeper 1 and the FreshKeeper IoT. So you can choose FreshKeeper 1 to monitor the temperature from -30 to 70 degrees, and the FreshKeeper IoT is for temperature range of ultra low as from -90 to 70 degrees. So they are different versions, but same appearance, different version, and the internal sensor will be different for monitoring. Good afternoon. So welcome to see our live show. And so just now I introduced to you our model FreshKeeper. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will reply to you directly. Okay, so next I will introduce to you our another model. Our model of our Atlas log. We have a different version, internal version and external version. The two devices are both Atlas log series. So it can be used to monitor different temperature ranges, from -30 to 70, and from -90 to 70, and from -200 to 200 degrees. Okay, first, so let me introduce you the internal type. It is USB type, the internal sensor, temperature sensor, and it has two versions. We can make it for monitor temperature range of -30 to 70 degrees, and also from another version is from -90 to 70 degrees. We name it as Atlas log -T and Atlas log -IoT. So this series temperature data logger are designed for cold chain logistics, storage, and transportation. Atlas log temperature data logger are divided into different types, different versions. So Atlas IoT can measure temperature range from -90 to 70 degrees. Okay, so first let's take a look at the appearance. At the front, take off the lid, you can see the USB connector. Okay, and then it's LCD screen in the front side. So this screen will display the recording status. Including the mark, battery level, alarm level, and password, and measurement value, temperature unit, time unit, max value, mean value, average value, alarm status, start delay, etc. So the next are the function buttons. There are two buttons. First is the start button, and the red one is the stop button. So this is the front side of Atlas log, and as the downside, you can see our company logo and our company logo here. So the backside is the label, and in the label information you can see this model. This one is Atlas log -IoT, this model. And measurement range, this one measurement range is from -85 degrees to 70 degrees. It has a protection degree of IP65, this one, and then it is a serial number barcode, and our company website, and battery indication, and it has CE and ROS certificate. So this is the appearance of the Atlas log. So customers, if you have big quantity Others, we can put your logo and your company information in the label, or even in the front label, the sticker. So, Atlas log. This model, it is a multi-use temperature data logger with an LCD screen. So the USB data logger has a high resolution temperature range of from -30 to 70 and from -90 degrees to 70 degrees. It comes with up to 35,000 readings with a real-time temperature display. The parameters can be freely configured by user on configuration software. It is provided by our company and it is totally free. The logger can generate the data report in PDF or CSV format. So when you want to generate the data report, just plug it into your computer and it will generate the reports automatically with no software required. And this device can be used for wide applications such as sea or air freight, distribution, storage and freezing, pharmaceuticals, frozen foods, shipping containers, etc. For another version, the Atlas Log IoT dry ice temperature data logger can measure temperature range from -90 to 70, and this temperature data logger, it is equipped also with LCD screen, and you can view the real-time temperature data. Its capacity reaches up to 35,000 readings. The professional users can use the configuration software to configure parameters. After completing the trip, an encrypted report can be automatically generated. The temporary mode allows the device to continue working after the user generates and reads a temporary report. This device is designed for cold chain logistics, storage, and transportation. It is an ideal solution for ultra-low temperature transportation and temperature monitoring that requires frequent temperature recording. So this is a generally introduction of this model, of this device. And then let me introduce the features of this device. As you can see, it is configurable parameters. The parameters can be freely configured through the configuration software, and configuration software, it is totally free. Second, the battery is replaceable. Battery is replaceable. Its battery can work for up to 180 days, and the battery can be replaced and reused. The alarm points setting and the mark function. You can freely set according to your needs. Up to 6 alarm points can be set. Up to 9 marks are available. And next, it has also password protection function. The password can be set to prevent others from operating the equipment without authorization. And the LCD display is intuitive LCD display. The LCD screen will display all parameters, including the running status, current temperature, alarm status, battery level, alarm points, max, mean, and average value. And the next feature is temporary report available. So when you want a data report before stop it, you can directly plug it into your computer and you can get a temporary report. For the report operation, when you plug it into your computer, it can automatically generate a report without additional software. Also, the final feature of this product, it has a large data capacity. Its memory capacity reaches up to 35,000 readings.